ESL warm-up games and activities are a great way to start a class to get students excited about the topic that you're going to teach, or you can use it as a way to review the previous class's activities. Hey, but wasn't this supposed to be the vlog video? No, on Sunday was the vlog that we've recorded. Oh, I'm sorry, I messed up your shot, didn't I? In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy to implement game that you can use with your students that can be adapted for any age group and language level ability. Hi, I'm Dr. Hemphill and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to let you know that I make weekly teaching tips for ESL teachers, and if this is a topic that is of interest to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a weekly video. And whether you're new to my channel or if you've been to my channel before, make sure to say hello in the comment section below. In this ESL word game, students have to remember and say words that begin with a particular letter. You can also increase the complexity by doing rhyming sounds or categories of words. For this video, we're going to use words that start with a particular letter. Have the students sit or stand in a circle, and if they're online, it doesn't matter. They're obviously going to stay where they are. And then you're going to ask the first student to choose a letter. And let's say that student chooses the letter B. Explain to the class that the aim of the game is to come up with a word that starts with that letter, but then they also have to remember what their classmates say as well. Start the game by saying, "A ship comes loaded." A ship comes loaded. With what? With bananas. The first student then repeats your answer, then adds their own answer. So for example, they can say, "The ship comes loaded with bananas and buffaloes." A ship comes loaded. With what? A ship comes loaded with bananas and buffaloes. A ship comes loaded. And then they will continue around and around in the circle. Now the first student that cannot come up with a word, doesn't remember the words, or repeats the same words is out of the game. And then you're going to continue until you have one last student standing, and then they're the winner. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and please share it with a colleague, and check out these videos on more teaching games and strategies for your classroom. And I'll see you next week for more tips, strategies, and resources for the English language learners in your classroom.